So I receive questions that goes like this.
I am receiving money from my customers in Europe to Malaysia. The bank in Europe asked my customers to provide the IBAN code of Malaysia in order for me to receive the money. What should I do in order to get the money?
Hello, welcome to my channel. So I receive questions that goes like this.
I am receiving money from my customers in Europe to Malaysia. The bank in Europe asked my customers to provide the IBAN code of Malaysia in order for me to receive the money. I checked with the local bank and they don't have the IBAN code. What should I do in order to get the money?
So first of all, let me quickly explain what is the IBAN code. So the IBAN code is called as the International Bank Account Number. It's a system to identify the bank accounts during international transactions. It is mainly used in European countries and a few other regions. IBAN code normally includes the country codes, the check digits, the bank identifier numbers, and finally the basic bank account number. It looks something like this. So, IBAN code is one way to identify, and there is another way, it's called SWIFT, aka Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. SWIFT is another way where a payments being identified where a payment should go. So back to the questions. So the first thing we need to know whether the receiving bank, in this case Malaysia, supports IBAN or no. If no, then SWIFT code will be more than enough. So these questions normally arise when there is a new person handling the payment in the bank. Hence, it would be good if you could remind the sender or the customer's bank that your country does not support IBAN codes and use switch code instead. So by emphasizing this, it should be more than enough for the bank to process your payments. Hope this helps. Thank you and see you soon.